The Meghalaya government has once again decided to reimpose total lockdown only in Shillong agglomeration. Now I'm here in one of the the main points here in Shillong, that is Police Bazaar, where you have people always coming out, either to buy some of their essentials or some other items. So we'll go ahead and have a conversation with the people here who are the citizens of Meghalaya, and what do they think about this government's move that they've taken to reimpose total lockdown? Is it a wise decision, or whether it will help in what the government is trying to work out right now?
Okay, if I think from one point of view, then yes, looking at the spread of the virus right now, it is very much needed that we need to have a lockdown. Okay, but then even a lockdown also is not the ultimate decision that we can say that in the long run we can continue to take up the lockdown, because this will greatly affect many people. Okay, we cannot just keep on sitting at home and just do nothing at all. So for the time being, maybe the 3 days lockdown that the government has taken up the decision, that is, I feel, the best decision as of now. But I think during this lockdown period, major steps should be taken, like maybe if required for testing or any other measures should be taken as quickly as possible. Then after that, then it's up to the government to check, but I don't think so it should be extended more than this.
तो लॉकडाउन में इतना कस्टमर भी नहीं निकलता है हम लोग को, मतलब एक हफ्ता में 3 डेज मिलता है ना खुलने के लिए, तो उसमें भी कस्टमर भी मतलब इतना नहीं आता है, कम आता है, और हो रहा है थोड़ा थोड़ी कमाई.
I think it's needed whole of Meghalaya, because whole of Meghalaya is our brothers and sisters. We should, I think government has to, given the whole of Meghalaya should be given a covered. This is what I personally feel.
I am in one of the containment zones here in Shillong agglomeration. Right now I'm standing, behind me is the containment zone of Jhalupara area, where it has been declared as a containment zone immediately last night. This order was being issued by the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District, Matsyo Darwar. She has issued an order. Now, apart from this area, there are also other localities. A total of 22 containment zones has been declared in Shillong areas. Now remember that the number of containment zones is going to increase, because right now the health department is working to control the because they're seeing signs of community transmission here in Shillong. So they're working to control the spread and not to further get into that real community transmission. So they're working to do the contact tracing. So remember, the health department may also increase these containment zones. With the Meghalaya government's move to reimpose total lockdown here in Shillong agglomeration, we've got to wait and watch whether this will really help in controlling the spread of the COVID-19 virus here in Shillong agglomeration. This is Princess Rasha reporting for East Mojo.